Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Growing up, we always had this bottle of mustard in our fridge. This is the GULDEN'S Spicy Brown Mustard, and it's a classic, and it's a classic for a reason. It has a really delicious spicy mustard taste, and I really like it more than a regular yellow mustard. It has a little bit more depth of flavor, and it just tastes delicious. You can use this on, of course, all of your classics, hamburgers, hot dogs. I absolutely love this as well on like a sausage or a knockwurst, bratwurst, something like that. This is just the perfect little kick. I really also love to use this in a marinade for chicken or different things to just give that nice little hint of mustard, a little bit of vinegar hit. It's just an awesome flavor. I also love that this is non-GMO and the squeeze bottle is super convenient and mess-free. So I would definitely recommend keeping this mustard in your fridge as well, and that's my point of view.